What's going on, guys? Just a quick video for you today. We had the window fall down into the door on this 2006 Chevy Tahoe. So I'm going to be replacing the window motor and regulator today. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to remove this panel cover and this cover here. So this one here is a 10mm bolt. There's a bolt right here that you're going to want to get, and that's a 7mm bolt. So I forgot to mention, there's a bolt down here also, and as you can see, the previous owner did not know that, so that was broken off already. For mine, it didn't have that. So then you're going to pull all this plastic off. So basically what I found was the wire in this window motor is tangled up and somehow got all jacked up. So probably going to have to replace that. So now I'm working on getting this out. I'm going to take these bolts out and we'll go from there. So now I've got to take out this guy in here. Looks like I've got to take out these two bolts and this bolt here. So my guess is that when I take it out, I'm going to have to bring it through this hole. So I'm going to probably have to remove this speaker here. So next there's a 10mm nut that goes here. I already took that one off, but you're going to take that one out, and you're going to take this one out as well, and that should release it from the glass. So I took the motor off here, and you can see this mess in here definitely tore it up quite a bit. So that's gonna have to be replaced. All right, so basically what I did is I put the new one in the same orientation. I put these bolts in, and then so I lined up this guy here. I just put these bolts in loose. So the next step in this is you're gonna pull this tight, and then these tabs right here, and there's not one down there, but these two right here, you're gonna bend those over so they hook, and then from there, that's when you're gonna take the bolts back out and install your speaker, and then tighten these down. So once all that's put back together, then you're just going to tighten these up and tighten this bolt up, and then we'll work on the glass. So basically how this works is these clamps here are going to clamp your window, and they're tightened by the nut on the back there. And so what we're going to do is we're going to raise the regulator up, and it'll clamp these two onto your window. You're going to make sure that these nuts are loosened, so that way the clamps have some play and can clamp onto the window. So then you're gonna raise it up. So now you can see the holes are lined up and it's clamped onto the window. So now I'm just gonna tighten these two down again and we can start putting it back together. All right, then you test it out. Looks good, so now we can put it back together. Well, that concludes this video. Thank you guys again for watching. I'll see you guys next time.